gang? What's up, crew? It's your girl Mel Mel, and we are here. Guess what we're gonna be doing today, guys? We're gonna be fishing. You see Malik with the pole. This is my first time trying to fish, and Malik came a few times with his uncle already. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And let's see how this goes. All right, guys. So we're gonna fish over here. I'm kind of scared.
Yeah, I do not want to start this.
There's a lot of iguanas over here. Where you go? Huh? Where you be going?
I would go all the way over here.
Where do you?
We don't even go. We don't be fishing all the way over here.
Where do you go?
We be going to the what's it called? You say it was.
But
too
you
far.
come over here before, so where do y'all
We
go?
only went one side. We
Bro.
go all the way over there.
On the other side?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go. Look at the ducks in the water, guys. Malik's scary. I can't go nowhere with him. He's talking about he don't want to go all the way down. You just gonna go right there. How you gonna catch fish right here?
You don't know these guys.
Go over there.
Right here?
Yes. This boy's scared of iguanas.
Oh, what don't go to bite me?
Go over.
Right here?
Yes.
Right
Go
here?
right there and then go down. Hey, go ahead. Let me see.
Wait.
Hey, don't hit me. Little boy. Guys, look at the worm. Alright, go ahead. Do your thing. Oh, Lord. What happened? It got tangled?
Oh, no, what? I'm gonna keep touching it. Stuff. Keep playing around with it. Tell her don't touch it. Touching it.
Y'all, if y'all hear Malik's voice sound raspy, he's under the weather a little bit.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm not.
You're getting a little sicky. Okay, can you hurry up? Because
Okay, wait, bro. I told you fishing is cost patience.
cost patience. You have to have patience to fish. But I feel the rain.
But you
Alright, guys, I'll come back one time he figured out his line. He's so far away from the water. How you gonna get into the water? Somebody else gonna go fish? Alright, maybe we should find a different spot down there. Alright. You don't feel nothing? This is a beautiful scenery though. It's so tranquil out here. You don't feel nothing?
let's go down here.
Alright, we're gonna switch look. They have a military tanker over here. What about over there, Malik? I see like a path right there. I see like a path right there. Let's see if you could do it. If you could go right there. Look at this tank, guys. We're trying to find a good spot. Boy, you're not even doing the thing right. scared as shit to go out in this water. I don't know if you guys could see it, but there's a few little fish right there that Malik is trying to catch. They're eating the bait. Go right down, go back down. Where did they go? I think they swam away. Dang, they swam away. It was like, I saw 2 of them.
Oh, they're about to catch me.
They're right there. They're coming. They're coming. It's 3 of them. Oh, they swim back. Just wait until they bite on it.
They're right there.
Oh my gosh. They be moving fast because I don't even see where they went there. Alright, I'm gonna come back, you guys. I'm gonna come back to you guys when we catch something. Hopefully we catch something before we leave. Alright guys, so we had to cut the line because it got really tangled and we could not untangle it. But now we're in a dilemma. See? It's cut. We're in a dilemma. We do not know how to fix it back and put the hook and the weight on it. The guy that was helping us, we don't see him no more. He moved location and then he just disappeared. So I'm going to try to figure it out. If not, that's going to be the end of our fishing day because yeah, it's hot out here. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated with what happened because it's off. All right, so we'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. Deuces. All right, guys, we're back in business. He helped us out and fixed it back. So put your thing on. Did you catch anything?
I caught one earlier when I was over there.
Oh, okay. Good.
But I'm out here every other day.
Oh, okay. You gonna go right here? You staying right here? So you probably gotta go over. Alright guys, so in this clip I'm here trying to reel in something. I felt like I caught something. Malik was also trying to teach me like if I felt something biting on the line then I should start pulling it up. I pull it up and it was nothing. It was more like a piece of grass or something. And I tried again and I'm here trying to feel for it, still nothing. Malik is there trying to coach me because because he have a little bit more experience than me. And he's still trying to coach me. And I feel something. You see the line? It looked like it got stuck, but look what I look what I got up. Nothing. I got nothing. I was highly disappointed. This is what I got, guys. This is what I got. Can you believe it? A piece of, I don't even know what it is. Grass, trash, seaweed, something. But it wasn't no fish. We ain't catching no fish. We were just catching these stuff on the line. But yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna close out the video here. We just got back home. Malik ended up cutting his finger on the hook. So how was it?
Good. Alright, know it was gonna be good because I fished like 5 times in a row.
I guess the experience was alright for me. If I had my own hook, Malik was hugging the hook, but it was cool. He wanted to do it the whole time, but he liked fishing, so it was a great little experience for us to do. Sunday fun day, mom and son duo. We'll probably do it again next weekend. We'll see how I feel, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. He's showing y'all where he got poked with the hook. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video.